What's that? When you're working in Mendo.
Women! Anumanu nanti echirom. Abago.
It's good. You have done well.
Hope this is not where that thunderstorm has been coming from.
No, no, you love accusing me wrong. I heard that thunderstorm from this side. It came from heaven.
Do you think I'm a child? I'm not a child. I'm sure it's coming from here.
I have no reason to lie. Am I in charge of thunders? I heard it the same way you heard it. It came from heaven.
But it looks like it came from here.
Yes.
The problem is that you people enjoy accusing me wrongly. We heard thunder from heaven. All of a sudden, you people are marching towards here. He came from here. He came from. Am I the manufacturer of thunders?
Mama, my husband have told you where the sound came from. Biko, I don't understand.
Jogba, it seems like you left the house very early this morning. Me and my wife wanted to speak to you.
I'm okay. Thank God you came. This is your bike key. Go and bring the money. I am no longer interested. Take your bike and avoid me.
Jogba, actually we wanted to tell you to take the bike. We want to cancel the hire purchase agreement between us. We decided to cancel our hire purchase agreement we had. As for the money, we don't need it anymore. You can take everything.
Are you done?
Yes.
Beautiful. But I'm not interested. Take your money. Just avoid me, including your torotoro.
We can now go inside.
What is the problem?
Are you mad? Why are you people bent on provoking me? I hate repeating myself. Thunder came from heaven. Why are all of you looking at me and pointing towards this my direction? Avoid me now. Rest. I've given you your bike. I've given you your money. Everybody. No, Ibe. Butter.
Okay, are you not hearing? It's your chirigu. You can get out when you are done, eh?
See this girl.
See.
Nani, calm down. Whatever she tries to do, she will never succeed. She will never ever succeed. Ajonia. Please. But Nani. Nekwanya. See you in Africa.
Okay. No problem. Let's go.
Man, you are the man. Hey, Ojoko. Hey, this one is Otto. Hey, you are doing well. Now you are behaving like my baby. Hey, congratulations to us.
My new bike.
Hey, baby. This is justice.
Congratulations.
Hey,
baby.
Are you feeling it?
Hi, it's very fine.
Hey,
I'm proud of you, brother.
Hey, baby, you are doing so well. I am a soldier. I am a soldier.
Why is she celebrating Mother Diana?
I love you, my baby.
What's this?
See my baby. Why?
Tell her that it's my bike.
Why you?
Wait.
Chinelo. Chukwa Bioma.
I am a soldier.
Who have I offended? Hey! Ozokwa.
My baby. My baby. Ah, my baby.
This is Zubby now. Stop this.
I love you, my baby.
Another snake.
What's the meaning?
Another snake.
I am a soldier. I am a soldier. Baby.
What's going on here?
I love you so much, my baby.
Check. You sabi this person? Jesus. My wife did this now.
I have been suspecting her and this man. I had to trail her. I needed an evidence. That's why I had to do it. Yes.
Oh, wow. So this is what my wife has been. So you've been sleeping around with men. You've been cheating on me.
Me? Sleep? God forbid. I cannot cheat on you, baby. God forbid.
How do we explain this? Who is in this video?
Baby. Baby. Hi.
Papa?
Baby.
My wife has been cheating on me. How did you know?
I can explain, babe. I can explain. Babe, I have something to tell you. I can explain.
Kezaya can know.
Babe,
Kezaya can know.
let's talk about this inside.
You know what?
Baby.
This marriage is over.
Hi, babe. No.
Just go in there, pack your things and leave.
Baby,
If I hear babe again,
baby,
I will smash your head against this pillar. Just go and pack your things and leave.
baby, please.
Come out here. Come out here and explain to us what you have been doing to this family. Now this is him. The wicked son of my father.
Where is this coming from?
It is coming from me, your younger brother.
What happened?
You are wicked. Explain to us what you did to Mama, what you did to our sister Chinelo, and what you did to me.
How dare you talk to me in such manner? Are you insane?
I am insane. Because you have made me go insane. Papa, I consulted a very powerful Dibia. And he told me that ZUBBY has been the reason for our misfortune.
You and that Dibia are mad.
You are the one.
For you and that Dibia.
You are the one that is mad.
You people are mad.
Papa, he told me that this deity, this evil deity he brought into this house is the reason for our misfortune. And you know it.
I think you're mentally unstable. I don't have time for this nonsense.
You are not going anywhere.
Enough.
You are not going anywhere. You have to explain to us what is going on in this family.
What is wrong with both of you? Eh?
You are not going anywhere.
Hey, enough.
You are not going anywhere.
Enough! I said enough!
Explain to this family what has been going on.
Oh no.
I said enough! Unzube, your brother Okechi here reported a case against you to me. He said you brought an evil deity into your father's compound, and that deity is the cause of all the misfortune in this house. Is that true?
Oh no, I like Ezoku.
Yes, you know that.
The deity I brought is for my own personal growth. It's for my own personal use. Look at the date there.
Oh no, but this is a very big lie. It's a big lie now.
Unzube, are you sure the deity you brought into your father's compound is for your personal use? And can you justify that?
100%.
Then, I will go and call the Ezedibe to perform an oath-taking ritual.
Oath?
Yes.
Bam!
To justify yourself.
No problem, I will take the oath. Huh? Man, be careful.
Then in that case, then, Unzube, I have no French. If you are found guilty, you will be banished from this kingdom.
No, he is guilty. What are you saying if he is found guilty?
Be careful. In our baby who's safe. Be careful.
You too, be careful.
Be careful.
Hey,
be careful because you are wicked.
Okechi.
Be careful.
Look at your mother. Look at your sister Chinelo.
Be careful. In our baby who's safe.
Papa.
Be careful.
Papa.
In our baby who's safe. Be careful. In our baby who's safe.
Papa.
Be careful.
What happened to you?
I'll take the oath. Everybody now, I say now.
You're welcome. Where's Mama?
She's inside.
Don't cry. Thank you very much.
Alright, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bobby.
Thank you so much.
Mpao. No, bro. Udogu. No, now we'll go
Thank
see.
you, sir.
Alright.
Thank you.
Nice, make I buy a new bike now.
What is going on
What
here?
new bike? Yes, man. New one. Clean.
Hey!
This is my new bike.
New bike, how would you?
Oh, get me.
Another motorcycle.
Of course.
Wekene.
A brand new motorcycle. Chala chala.
Nanka kolokolo.
Bukini yours.
Nanka kolokolo.
Bukini yours.
Organic. This is beautiful.
Of course it is.
Congrats.
Thank you very much.
Congrats.
You
Thank
have
you.
done well for yourself.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. I decided to give the old one.
See how you're happy. Chala chala, new one. Chassis.
Am I supposed to be crying? We're celebrating my brother's
Celebrating what? Your younger Imadiri.
Papa, I know you like it.
Are you asking me? No, I don't like it, but I like it.
My love, come.
Hey. Do you have shame? Do you have shame, Nzube? Do you have shame?
What are you saying?
You are celebrating your younger brother. You were new bike. You even climbed on top. You know, I have always known that you are useless, but I don't know that you don't have sense. You don't have sense.
I'm not supposed to be happy for my brother.
Happy for your brother that what?
This is for us.
Yeah, this one is our own.
Exactly.
Hi.
Our new motorcycle.
Hi.
Papa,
Hello,
stop this thing you're doing. You know what? This calls for celebration.
It's a muscle.
Yes, sir.
I'm making that before.
It's you. It calls for celebration.
Yes. Oh, man.
You need to go to the market and get something. Get anything you can get. We are going to celebrate this.
Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you.
If you buy the bike and we are celebrating,
This is spirit of jealousy. Leave me alone.
Spirit of jealousy.
Oh my God.
My brother,
Nzube.
this calls for celebration.
Yes.
I hang something.
I just gave her money to go to the market and get something.
Oh, I trust
We
you.
need to do something. We need to do something.
Kolo. I love the color you choose.
Bam. Red and white.
Red.
With a touch of black.
Oh, young one, no. It's a bit for culture.
Okay,
Congrats.
So is that why that guy brought it for you? You can't drive.
No, don't worry. I have people that will be driving them.
Yes. So, you mean you didn't notice anything?
I noticed.
Do you know that Ifeoma is not happy because Okechi bought new motorcycle?
Has it gotten to this extent? Does she want him to soil his hand with the devil in order to please her? Listen, Nzube and Okechi may be of the same blood, from the same womb, created by the same God, but their destiny is different.
Exactly.
Akaraka diichie, faboro too. Ha.
Jokpa,
How far now?
I'm good. Let me talk to the gods.
Let's talk to them together now. It's a celebration mood.
No.
Thanksgiving.
I want to be left alone. I don't want any disturbance. Please, we'll talk later.
Am I quarreling with the gods? I mean, they don't like my face. Let's just celebrate together now.
We are not quarreling. It's between me and the gods. Please, don't be offended.
No problem now. Greet them for me.
Thank you.
Hey, you.
Hey,
Let's go Ingrid. Where is my money?
Chief.
For complete 1 week now, I've not seen my money. Where's my money?
Let's say rain the fall. Passengers know today. I will come bring that money for you.
That is your own cup of tea. Agreement is agreement. Our agreement is that if you don't pay for 1 week, I'll retrieve my bike from you.
Hey, it's not like that, Chief. I will pay. Shebi, I've been paying for the past 10 months.
It's just that this season, rainy season, and passengers are...
I don't care. I need my money. Or I need my bike. Give me my bike. Where's my bike key?
It's just 1 week. I'm not dragging with you. The key is here with me. But understand me, Chief.
Let me have the key.
I will meet up next week.
Chief, please. My husband will pay you. He keeps to his words, please.
I don't have any problem. All I need is my key. Boy, get the key.
Please, Chief.
Sorry, just hand me.
Get the key. Get the key from him.
I beg. Chief.
Take it easy. Let's
Don't
calm down
touch the
and
bike
sort
now. We
this
are
out.
still settling. Please now, Chief. Chief, please.
I don't have any problem.
This is our only source
I don't
of
have any
life.
problem. I
Please.
need to take my bike.
Chief, let us calm down and settle this. Huh? We can settle this.
Start the bike now. Start the bike.
Chief.
There is nothing to settle. I don't have to settle. I'm giving him one.
Why is he so heartless? Jokba, what is the meaning of this? What happened?
I'm just owing him for 1 week. It's remaining 2 months. I did 10 months well. So after 2 months, the bike is supposed to become my own. Just because of 1 week.
So why didn't you tell me about it? I would have lent you some money to give to him than this embarrassment.
I don't want to disturb you with my personal problems.
Jokba, you're not...
You can still lend him the money now. We still need it.
Of course I will give him the money. Huh? Of course I will give you the money. You need to go and get back your motorcycle.
Thank you very much. Please come.
Now you are.
My brother. Thank you very much.
Excuse me. Hello.
Good day, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Can I have a word with you?
I hope there is no problem, sir.
No, not at all. My name is Emeka. My friend calls me Mecca South. I just returned from South Africa.
Oh, that's nice. Please, if you're done, I would like to go. As you can see, rain is falling out.
Okay, since you're in a worry, I don't want to take too much of your time, please. Can I have your number?
Sir, I am married though.
Really?
Yes, happily married.
It doesn't matter, that will not stop us.
Excuse me.
Sinyash. Hey. I will make sure I chop from Danga. I will spend my last card on Danga. Yeah.
Eh? Where are you going to? I am calling you, you're ignoring me. Am I not your wife?
Should I start crying because you're my wife? What is it? I've told you, there is no money. There is no money. Manage.
That is a big fat lie. Manage what? What did you keep in this house that I will manage from? Eh?
Have you seen me working anywhere before? I don't have a job. Are you not aware?
So it is now my fault that you don't have a job. In Wakweri, do you have shame? See what you are saying?
Is it every husband that has a job?
A man is supposed to have a job. A man is supposed to provide for his wife.
My sister, I'm a woman for now. Can I have peace?
It's what I say. You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. Uzube, I'm talking to you.
Just cross the border.
Uzube.
You're crossing the border.
Uzube.
You're embarrassing me.
You're embarrassing yourself.
You're
You're already a shame in this village. You know that.
You're embarrassing me.
You don't have money.
Okay now.
I want to eat.
You look at people are staring at us. You're embarrassing
Tell
me.
my husband to give me money for food. Tell Tell him to give me money. There's no food in this house. I'm starving.
Where is the wife material in you?
I am your wife.
Is it the best way to collect money?
If I don't eat, how will I function?
Papa, leave me alone.
No, I will not leave you. He will give me money for food. Give me money for food. You're a man. You're my husband. Did you bring me?
I'm a woman today.
Okay, you're a woman today.
Yes.
You will still give me money as a woman.
This is money. Take. This is 10,000. Go and get the foodstuffs.
Remove your rubbish and
Have you seen it? Have you seen your mate? Make sure you bring money. You will not come and hold your brother.
Stop now. Who's to pay?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I will kill you here one day.
That's all you know how to do. Useless man.
It's okay.
Useless man.
How did I pay her
See your
bride
mate.
price? I don't.
See your mate.
What will you mean to paying her bride price?
It's okay. Everything will be fine. Oh? It's okay.
Man to man, thank you. Thank you very much.
Bring money when you are coming home. Be a man. Useless man.
I'm a woman. Mudade.
It's not like 10,000 will even be enough.
It's okay now.
I don't want it though. It's not because of this 10,000 you get to me. I don't want that nonsense.
Oh yeah, man. See, there was nothing you didn't do to stop him from marrying this girl. Are you seeing the display of her stupid attitude? No respect, no manners. Look at the way she was holding her husband, dragging him to give her money. You can imagine. There's trouble, oh. So what the
I know there is a big trouble. I'm not even surprised at her attitude.
Very bad attitude.
I saw this thing coming from far. But ZUBBY refused to heed to my advice.
Hello, Goma, I'm talking to you.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Sir, please, you can see it's about to rain. We're in a hurry.
I know you are in a hurry. I won't take much of your time.
She's in a hurry. Don't you know she's a married woman? She's married though. That's why she's standing for married.
I don't care if she's married or not.
Oh, you don't care?
It's none of your business.
Foma, let's
go. She's married though. She's married.
That guy is obviously rich man looking at him. I was thinking he called me. Why would it be Ugoma that he wants? Why not me? Is Ugoma more beautiful than me? No, she is not. If I have anything to do with this guy, my life will change. My life will really be better. What do I do now? I will have to look for a way to meet with him. I will look for him. Because if Mohammed does not go to the mountain goes to Mohammed. If he doesn't come to me, I will chase him and I will get him. That is the life. That is the game of life.
You know I don't talk too much.
Hey.
This is 50,000 naira.
Hi.
But hold on. I thought you were going out.
No, that place is not even important.
I need you to make out with me in my car.
Hey!
And you will have the money. Hold on. I need you to make out with me in my car and you'll have the money. It's real. And I have more in my car. I'll give you more.
Let me touch the money.
Hold on.
Okay. Inside the car. Hey! Me million. Me Jago. If you are the back, it's like you like it from the back. When we celebrate, we dey pop champagne. Papa, make you pop something. Papa, make you pop their brain. How about what? We dey pop, make you pop champagne. Make you pop their brain. When we celebrate.
What is going on here?
I'm trying to figure out what is going on there.
Are you not seeing her drinking? In a free honey? Are you seeing what she's doing?
Yes.
Hey, Papa Nzube. Are you seeing the way this girl is lavishing Nzubechukwu's money? In a free honey, drinking.
I thought as much.
We dey pop champagne. Hey. Papa, make it. Hey, Jesus. Life sweet to me, I don't know since. It's good to get money. Papa, make you pop champagne. And baby, while they pop their brain.
What's going on now? I wanted to make love to you last night and you refused. Why?
I don't understand. Nzubechi, I don't understand. That's the only place you know how to make love, how to open leg every night, open, okay? Do you know that I'm not feeling well? What if one day name a pupa and kubie? What will you do? Look at your brother, your younger brother Okechi, and I forgot the wife. Do you see how she dresses? Do you see that they are eating well? Do you see her body? Are you seeing my body?
Well, you know I'm dreaming. I'm trying my best.
You are trying your best. I cannot see it. There's no evidence that you're trying your best. Try more harder, you're a man. Yeah? And there will be no anything for you again till I'm feeling well and I'm dressing well. Look at the way I'm dressed.
This should not be what I'm thinking. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon this evening.
Good evening, sir.
Wait.
There's problem,
Who is it?
There's problem. He's a very troublesome man.
Troublesome? You are finished. You are finished today. I am going to take this video and show it to your husband. I am going to take this video to your husband. I am
finished.
You are finished. Just as you said, you are finished. What is useless woman? Your shame is shaming me.
It's not what you saw, sir.
This is not what I saw. It is what I have. Not what I saw, but what I have in the phone. No problem. No, there's nothing in this life that will make me not to show this video to Nzubet. I'm going to show him. And you know the consequences. The implication is that Nzubet will use a knife and cut you into pieces. I am going.
Hey, please, Mazipiko.
Shameless man. I cannot father anything like you. It is shameless. Look at what you are doing with somebody's wife. A man like you. Do you know that when I was passing, this car was doing like a balloon, bouncing. You see what is happening? And when I entered the room, no mother. Shame on you. Shame on two of you. Hey!
Please, Agaba. We can talk this.
Sir. I'm so sorry about that, sir.
You are so sorry about what?
My name is Emeka, but my friend called me Amy South.
You will have a South. Not about you left to South and came here. Not about you will not swap on a motor. A man like you, a young man like you, if you see the husband very young, you did not even pity this man. You did not pity this small waist, you. This small waist here. You were bouncing on it. Bouncing on it. It's very wicked. You're very wicked.
That's why.
Shut up, I have not finished talking. Osim, that's why. That is why what happened.
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you know that you're very wicked? That you even did this thing with this woman is not my problem, but the way you were pounding it in this small car, this small space, you did not pity this small nyash. What if they lock two of you inside one big room? You would use rope and tie one leg, tie the other one, and scatter everything. Another man's wife. You are wicked. You're wicked. Even if you like, lie down here. Use your body and sweep here. I must take this video to your husband. I am taking it to Nzubet. I am going.
Hi, please, Agaba, please.
Excuse me, sir. We can talk about this. We can settle it.
We cannot settle anything.
We can settle it, please, sir. We can settle it.
Yes.
You can settle it.
How?
How?
Name your price. I will give it to you.
I should name my price.
Yes.
You that is talking, they're going to kill you. How much?
I will give you 50,000 and you close this case.
You are very stupid. Yes. You are very stupid. You want to give me 50,000 with this evidence. Do you know what I have here? What I have here is worth more than 5 million. If I should take this to Nzubet, this woman is gone. How much is a plate of nkwobi? How much is a plate of nkwobi? How many plates of nkwobi do you want me to eat with 50,000? In Apadala, let me tell you, I will not take anything less than 1 million. If you don't want, no problem. Let me go and show you.
I will give you 200,000 and you forget about this case, please.
Agaba, he will give you 200,000.
Look at the way you are promoting 200,000. You give me 200,000. If 200,000 is 7 and 8.
Sorry, sir.
200,000. Cash or transfer?
I have it cash in my car.
Have it cash?
With the way.
Okay,
Go on, bring it now. Hey, Agaba, thank you so much.
Do you know that you are shameless? How can you be doing this inside the car? In as much as it's my advantage to make money. Go to hotel, I'll come with it.
Yes.
Complete.
I'm just doing this because of our life. Not because of you. I don't even know who you are. You know, South Anthony. Anything that will make me to delete this video is because of your life. Your life, because I know that your husband is very temperamental. If I should show him this video, one time. So I'm just doing this for you. Next time, you be careful.
Yes.
Have to be careful. You.
Yes.
Nice doing business with you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Please, I need you to delete that video.
It's not
the video. I want you to delete it here, right now. Delete it in my presence. I want to see you.
How can you be doing something with a very stupid person? Look at the confidence. You are putting hand like this, telling me Agaba. That I should delete the video, giving me order. No. I am the person with the, or because of it.
No,
take the money.
Agaba, no, you can't have the money. He made a mistake. He will delete the video. He's a man of his words. He will delete. Yes, he will. Agaba, you can't go with.
You have a sense. The only problem you have is that you don't have control downstairs. But this one is very stupid. You are giving a man like me order in this land with the evidence that I have. Nanya, control yourself. Order too much. I have a room in my house. I don't know this one. Don't have. Pay for hotel. You have 200,000, but you cannot pay for hotel. Control yourself.
Thank you so much, sir.
Very stupid. Anyway, the video I will delete. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Come on, deleted. You can now continue what you are doing. Thank you. Go inside because if you cannot work, the thing is still there. Go and finish what you started. It is not there, but you are still holding it. Very stupid. Control yourself. You would have told him, let us go to hotel.
Thank you. Agaba, God bless you.
God bless Allah.
Thank you. Are you still entering the car? Eh?
I want to see.
I hope all is well.
All is not well. I come to see your wife.
My wife?
Yes. I have a message for her.
What business do you have with my wife?
The business I have with your wife is not your business. I have business with your wife. Me, your wife, have business, not with you. Abasadoro, it is between me and your wife. I want to see your wife. Is she not at home?
Agaba, I don't understand.
Nanya, you don't need to understand. If she's not at home, once she come back, tell her to come and see me. Before maybe, very important. Tell her to come and see me.
Okay, I'll do just that.
Do that. Very important. I'm a wife and Tell her to come and see me. I'm a joya.
What business do you have with Agaba? He came here and said you should come and see him for unfinished business that you both had.
Agaba? Which of the Agaba?
How many Agabas do we have in this village?
Oh, Agaba, the one that used to treat mad people.
Agaba, the one that jumps into the river.
Okay. Agaba, he cut palm tree and palm fruit for me.
Which day did Agaba start to cut palm fruit for people?
That day, baby, that I told you that I was going to check our palm fruits. So I found out that they were all ripe. So the people that used to climb for me, they were not available. So when I was now looking, naturally, who will help me to, bring them down. I now saw Agaba. I now pleaded with him to help me to bring down the palm fruits. So he agreed and he helped me to bring.
Okay. I remember you calling me asking for money so that you can pay the person. Okay, was Agaba the person?
Yes, baby, exactly. That was the day, so I had not paid him.
Agaba, let her take his money to him. Go and pay him, let's rest.
Okay, baby. Yes, thank you. Hi. Okay, baby. Agaba. Agaba. What is it? What is it?
Why did you keep me waiting?
I don't understand. What do you mean by I kept you waiting? And why did you tell my husband we had an unfinished business?
Our business is unfinished. Our business is unfinished.
What business do we have? I don't understand. Agaba, the business we had ended the very moment we paid you off. So what business are you talking about?
Nana, our business is unfinished. Manachelo. This one that you are popping your eyes like this, you shouted. I know that you are thinking I want to take more money from you. No. Come. What I want us to do is, I am not married. I want you to go inside here and have a beautiful time with me.
You must be mad. You must be out of your senses. God forbid. Me and you. It's like you don't have anything important to say. For your mind now, you think that I deleted that video. Oh, you are pumping like this. The video is still here in my phone. And if you refuse to do what I say you should do, I will bring this video, take it to your husband, you know what it means.
Agaba, calm down. It has not gotten to that. Agaba, why are you doing this?
I should be the one asking you that question. I should be the one asking you that question. Why are you wicked? Yes, now, I should be the one asking you. If I be free and free of charge, I know everybody knows now. And you know the one that was taking dog inside the car. Inside the car. And I'm asking for that same thing. This is a national cake. Give me my own share. Not my own share. You are saying, what am I doing to you? And I'm going to go.
Baba, you have to be really fast.
Nanya, I don't joke with time. If I share with the time. If you want me to give you 10 minutes, I give you. If you need 20 minutes, I give you. I don't joke with the time. So tell me how many minutes you need and I will give you. And you will be happy.
Agaba, stop.
Why will I stop?
Come on, beg. I need to go and see my husband.
This is something that you are special in. You are a specializer. This is the beer that I'm taking here. After taking this beer, everywhere will be hitting. If I handle you like this tonight, you will like it. You will even forget about it every day. You will be coming here to book.
Hurry up, hurry. I need to get going.
No, come. Why are you this wicked? You should consider somebody now. At my age, I was able to do all these things inside and you just want to leave me like that. Nanya, I need some money to refresh my energy.
Agaba, what do you mean? Money again? From where?
Nanya, it's like you are very wicked though. Do you know the energy that I wasted inside there? I need to buy all this energy drink, buy all these fruits, vegetable. It's okay before my time. Do you know that this is small nash is doing wonders? Almost killed me here. I need 200,000.
Agaba.
Just 200. So my Agaba.
Where do I get such money from, Agaba?
I don't want to know where you will get the money from.
I don't have it.
You don't have it? I have what's up. I will just carry this video now. Inside this way to push what's up.
It's okay.
1 hour. 1 hour, okay. I just give you 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll be waiting here, drinking my beer. If I wait for you for 1 hour and you don't come, fine. What's up? Why are you confused? Maybe you see about. Confusion. This girl, they were very sweet. This girl almost killed me. Not minding my age. That one. This 200,000. How am I going to invest the 200,000? Poetry, banner. More will come. More will come. Thank you,
What is the problem? You sounded so urgent on the phone.
Hey, there is problem. Oh.
Talk to me. What is the matter? What is the problem?
Agaba is at it again.
Don't tell me he's demanding for another ransom.
Yes, he's demanding for 200,000 naira before the next 1 hour. If not, he's going to expose me. I am finished almost in here now.
So he didn't delete that video that fateful day?
He did not delete it though. He said he will send that video to my husband if I don't provide this money. I am finished. We are finished.
I knew it. I knew he's not going to delete that video. I knew he's going to use that video as a means of extorting money from us. But don't worry, I will give you the money so that you will give to him.
Hey, thank you so much, Amy. Thank you so much.
But
thank you.
You have to make out with me in the car.
Make out with you in the car again? No, Mbakwa, I will not do it. The one we are already inside is because we made out in the car and they caught us. You want another person to catch us? I will not do it. If we are not going to the hotel, I am not doing it again.
It's fine. Let's go to the hotel. Let's go.
I get this money now.
Agaba, this is the money, this is...
Thank you. Thank you.
Agaba, please, I want to beg you. Please, I have given you the money.
Thank you.
Now that I've given you the money,
Yes.
please, I want to beg you something.
Okay.
Please,
Go,
I'm
go.
begging, I'm on my knees.
I know, I can see.
Agaba, please.
Yes. Tell me, what is it that in my phone? What is
Please, delete the video. Please, I'm begging. Be
The video?
Cool. Be cool, see.
it? Is that all you want?
Yes, sir. Agaba, please. Please. Agaba, delete the video, please.
Don't worry, don't command me. Are you commanding me?
No, please,
You
sir.
take your money.
No, you can have it, please. I trust you.
You delete it.
Yes, sir.
What is it? Bicycle bin, bicycle. What is it now?
No,
What is money?
No, you can have it. You can have it, sir.
Where is that bicycle? Boom. Bicycle. Delete. I've deleted the video. Your sins are forgiven. You can go and sin no more. You are forgiven.
Agaba, now let me warn you. Now that I've given you this money and you've deleted this video, let this be the first and the last time I will see you with my husband or telling him any nonsense, or I see you telling him that we have any unfinished business. Do you understand? I will not want to repeat myself. Shut up your mouth, I'm still talking. Do you think it's easy to give you 200,000? Agaba, I've warned you. A word is enough for the wise. Ekwekweneke for the other side of me. It's yours.
What is money she's shaking? Small now she dey shake. This girl is... I should shut up that she's not done. In my own house, Mama Agaba. Well, I no know. So this would have been my fate to not delete this video. Ha ha ha! I don't can remember. So this video think that I would delete this video. She thinks that I deleted the video. That is why she's ranting. Let me watch that video again. Because this video is bringing me up. Anytime I want to be up, I watch the video. And okay, I'm going to post this thing on WhatsApp. And I will give it a caption. Nzube Chukwu's wife taking dog in the car. If I don't feel Nzube Chukwu's wife taking dog in the car. You see this business that I open now, it is not going to finish anytime soon. Instead, I will share the video. Nzube Chukwu's wife taking dog in the car and the car bouncing. Idiot. Hey. Yes.
Okay, you're welcome.
Welcome. How are you?
Hi.
Good to see you. My wife.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Robin, this one you came back on time. What happened?
I got you something beautiful. On my way coming back, I saw some beautiful clothes. So I decided to get them for you.
You got clothes for me?
Beautiful ones.
Let me see.
You will love them.
All this?
Exactly.
For me?
For you. My beautiful one.
I mean, this is... I mean, look and kill. If you want them.
Very colorful.
Very beautiful.
I know you will like them.
I love them, my love. Oh, this is beautiful. If you Nemo, look at what my husband got for me.
I can see. I'm
and
not
it's even
blind.
plenty.
I can see. I'm not blind.
Hey, Obim, thank you so much. Hey, you sure have good eyes for good things.
You are my wife. You are beautiful. Anyone who sees you will be convinced that I, your husband, has eyes for beautiful things.
Hi, Obim. Obim, you are so good. You know, I couldn't have asked for a better man than you. You are God designed for me.
It's okay.
I love you.
You're my wife. And you are the best.
Thank you so much. Oh. Hey,
I'm happy you like them.
I love them. Let me see you. This is my favorite. Hey, if you want them all, let me go keep my clothes inside. Buy her new footwear, huh? New footwear.
What about Nzube?
It's fine now. Make worry of Fogo. Who knows where he is now?
I will see him when he gets back.
Hey! How did I end up with this Nzube? Hey, look at the man. Look at all the things he bought for his woman. My God. My next life. I will never meet such a useless man. And I will never marry such a fool. Hey! I made a mistake. Manododi.
Where is she? Who is in this house? Where is that woman? Who is here?
Agaba.
Where is your wife?
Agaba, you again?
Where is your wife?
What business do you have with my wife?
I have told you before. The business that I have with your wife does not have anything to do with you. And what if I was asking me, this your wife must be very stupid. I can tell you, she is very stubborn. I can't even imagine how you are coping with her in this house. Simple instruction. Come and see me. Come and see me. And she has refused. Go and tell her that I'm here.
How dare you talk about my wife in such manner? Have you gone nuts?
Oh, Nepanya, I have told you before. If I am discussing this issue that I have with your wife, don't put too much there. Let you know, you have no business there.
Okay.
Go and tell her that I'm here.
Go and
bring her.
Let me call my wife.
Call her! I said,
I'm bringing my wife.
Bring her here. I said, I'm bringing my wife before uncle. Who draws the river?
What business do you have with Agaba?
Agaba.
What business do you have with Agaba?
I don't have any business with Agaba.
Why is he always here talking nonsense?
Baby, I don't know. Hey, okay, I remember, baby. That day you gave me that money to give to Agaba. I went to look for him. I did not see him. I walked around the whole village. True to God who made me.
So why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me?
It skipped my mind. I forgot. I'm sorry, baby.
Be careful.
Okay, baby.
Be careful.
Yes, sir.
Be careful.
Yes, sir.
Now let me go and pay you.
No, baby, come. You don't need to. I will go and pay him myself, baby.
Why?
You don't need to go and pay him. I will go and pay him myself. Don't worry.
Why?
I will go and pay him myself. I don't want you to go there now with this younger say now you were carrying knife before. I don't want you to go only mad because I will go and pay him myself. Okay, baby?
Go and pay him now.
Yes, baby. I will
go and pay him now.
Okay, now. Okay, baby.
Nonsense.
For you.
Why are you shouting?
Why wouldn't I shout your name? Why did you go to my husband to ask after me? What business do we have again? Are we not done with the business?
Is that why you are shouting?
Yes. Why wouldn't I shout? I will shout. Agaba, see, let me warn you. I don't want to see you anywhere around my husband again. Asking after me or anything. This is the last time I'll warn you, Agaba. Agaba, stop going to my husband. Ogini, what did I do to you? Are we not done with the business? What do you want from me again? Agaba, now see, let me warn you. This is the final warning. We have had a business in the past and we are done with it. I expect you move on with your life. The next time you ask my husband after me, I will tell him that he should beat you up. And you know what my husband can do. Try it. Try it. Try it again.
Do you know that you are very stupid? Since I was born, I have never seen anybody as stupid as you are.
You are the one that is stupid. Agaba, you are the one that is stupid. Do your worst. Do your worst. What can you do?
Mwa will be stupid. So, did you just forget that I have your dirty secret with me?
Are you drunk? What dirty secret are you talking about? Eh? Is it not the one you've deleted? You know my dirty secret, but you have deleted it. You don't have any evidence, no proof again. Abi, that day you were drinking, you know, your Ishiga because it's on. Now let me tell you, Agaba, we've had business in the past. And the past remains in the past. Let me not see you anywhere around me or around my husband again. If not, you will not like what I will do to you. Useless man.
You see where I told you in the back now. If somebody tell me that you are this stupid, I will not believe it. So in your dream, if you are dreaming now, you are snoring, and somebody come and tell you that Agaba Wednesday will delete that video, will you believe it?
Why won't you delete the video? No, tell me, why won't you delete the video? Were you not paid? Did I not pay you? I paid the ransom you asked for. So you have deleted the video and it stays there and it dies there. It dies there. The one I don't like it. Here. I like to do something with evidence. Bia. Okay. I saved it with you. Nzube Chukwu's wife taking doggy. Nzube Chukwu's wife. Don't be taking silly. Doggy. Boom. Neyeba. Is this not you? Are you not the one taking doggy here? Look at it, you are taking doggy. I have it. Agaba. Look at the way your voice is from upstairs, downstairs. From Agaba to Agaba. Agaba. Thank you.
Agaba. Please, I'm sorry I was shouting. I'm not usually like this. It's not intentional, like my voice. I don't know what came over.
You know what came over you? You know what came over you? What came over you has been there in your family. I know about your mother. As you know, until she died. And the same thing transferred to you. Let me tell you, you see this video. I am going to carry this video and I will broadcast it everywhere. If what's up? Okay. What's up? Yeah, so share this video. Agaba. You didn't do my worst. No. You said I should do my worst. You are the one who stopped me do your worst. I will do my worst. Agaba, please. I will do it.
Don't do your worst, please. Don't do your worst.
If I can see me, I have finished doing my worst. My worst is that I will take this video with the caption, Nzube Chukwu's wife taking dog in the car. I will put it in WhatsApp.
Agaba,
everywhere will boss.
I am begging. Agaba, please. Agaba, please. I want to...
Shut up. I'm not in charge. If you want me to delete this video, in case you go for rain, you will give me 500,000. I will shut my mouth forever.
Agaba, why are you like this? Where do you expect me to get 500,000 from? My husband and I put together is not even worth up to 500,000.
You were not wicked, and you were taking dog in the car. Did you not consider that before taking dog in the car? You took dog in the car. I took advantage. But you that is doing this thing now. Do you think I'm just charging you this money? Thank God that the opportunity came. I have things to fix with the money. The money you gave me, that 200,000. Can't you see this house? Consider me now. This place is supposed to be pillar. Here, sit out. Rain will stop beating me here. The last time you gave me 200,000, the people that are doing this window, they said it's 250,000. As you gave me 200,000, bam. Advance. Don't you want me to finish the house? If you give me this 500,000 now, you see this ceiling, all this ceiling, I don't want all this local ceiling in the plastic here. Actually, POP, I will use the money. They said it's 750,000. If you give me 500, here they can make the master water 750. You can have 500 don't pay advance. The charge they can mess with and for Agabe, Omo as we didn't take a doggy. Omo as we take a doggy. You took a doggy. I have to build my house. The Kwanya, 24 hours. 24 hours. You need 500,000. If not, Nzube Chukwu's wife taking doggy in the car. What's up?
Agaba, please.
Now, if I very dark man, or see you gonna learn. You gonna learn. If the doggy you take it, you gonna learn. You gonna learn the hard way. You gonna learn the hard way.
I don't have that money.
You gonna learn. You gonna learn the hard way.
Agaba, please, let me come inside.
You want to come inside? Nanya, I'll broke inside, don't my problem. If you want to come inside now, I will give you one shot. But that will not stop the 500,000. If I give you, you go and look for the money. If I give you one, you will not bring the money. 500,000, 24 hours.
Agaba, I am like a daughter to you.
I can never born anything like you. To fear. You will not tell me. Instead of me to burn anything like you, can I charge the rest all my life? Charge the rest! Apuna, how can I give birth to Apuna? Taking dog in the car. So now, I'm going to also. If you say it again and double or 1 million. Nonsense.
Agaba, please. Please.
The Kwanya. Okay,
No, sir.
if I don't give him a name,
No, sir.
I don't give him a name. Yeah, if you want to come. I will give you one. I can quench the fire. So you can go and look for the man. If it's danger, will take you back. Another dog. Because I don't trust you. Are you coming? You to go.
Agaba, I beg you in the name of God. What do I do? Agaba, I don't have anywhere to go to. I don't have anywhere to go to.
Stand up from here. Stand up. I got to be the money. I have to. I will have to change this room. This room. Put it all this red, down at the red. Now, Agaba. Change this door. Put it for it. Agaba. Opportunity come but once.
That man is a greedy man. I am going to teach him a hard lesson. I will not continue paying him ransom. I will not do that. I will not do that. I can't do that.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Because he's threatening to air the video. What do we do?
I have a plan.
What is the plan? What is the plan?
I want your life.
Oh, yes, you want my life. Who sent you?
I don't have time.
You want my life? Look at this. Low budget assassin. That's nothing. I want your life. What about you? Me, Agaba. You want to kill me with a gun? Ha! I said no. So if Ezedibia did not call me and said, Agaba, it is time that you fortify yourself. Take a case work, Odomaja. Announce his feet. Ndoka bagwa ona na ndokwa. Ona nudo. Hey! Ndoko na anya o. But who sent this boy? Oya avukwu maazi South Africa o. Opo egbe kafa jeri nni. Ekolopom. Opo egbe kafa jeri nni. Ibadan. Mana akara mfa no. Akara mfa. Omo nga Agaba nweze. It is time to go to Ezedibia. I need to upgrade. Can call back at and wake up what happened. He won't.
Boss, that man is not an ordinary human being.
What do you mean?
I don't understand.
Boss, I shot him and the bullet did not penetrate. Nothing. Shoot him again.
I don't understand. What do you mean by you shot the man and the bullet did not penetrate? Don't you know how to shoot gun again? Are you sure you know how to use the gun very well?
Boss, don't you trust me? Don't you know what I can do? I confirm the thing. I swear that man is not an ordinary human being. My hand is not it.
Lost. What is it?
It's fine. You can go now. Thank you.
Go.
Yes.
What are we going to do?
There's nothing we can do other than to let him be.
Let him be how?
You heard me right.
Like we should allow him to let the cat out of the bag?
He should let the lion out of the cage. I don't care.
It's a lie. It's a lie. You want to finish me? We're in this together. My husband is going to hear of it. You want that man to go and tell my husband of where? No, it will not work.
Let me tell you, it's not my business. You should carry your cross and I will carry mine. Excuse me.
Amy million. Amy baby. God will punish you. You're a very useless man. Thunder fire you there. Nonsense man. God will punish you. Hey. God punish you. Amy, God will punish you. Foolish man. Idiot. God punish you. Punish your generation. Hey.
What do I do now? What does he mean by... What does he mean by that man is not an ordinary human being? It's a lie, oh. Hey, Agaba, you are an ordinary human being. I will show you that you are an ordinary human being. I will do it my own way. Agaba must die.
Obodo Diego.
Naya Agaba. Good day, sir. Good day, sir.
Good day, sir. I gave you appointment. I gave you time. I waited for you. I did not see you before I left this house. Why?
Naya Agaba, I went to look for the money. It's the money I was looking for. I've been looking for the money. Oh.
You've been looking for the money?
Yes, sir.
So where is the money now?
Agaba, you will not offer me a seat. At least let me sit down now.
When I'm in the field to make money, I don't look at anybody's face. You. So what do you look at? I focus on to make the money. I focus and I pursue the money 100%.
Sit down. Eh? I'm a visitor in your house, Okwana.
Okay, visitor.
Yes.
I will give you a seat.
Me a seat.
No problem. Don't sit here. Don't sit here.
Hey.
No. Put it in like this. Sit. Do you want to drink anything? It's your money.
Yes, so with the beer or cold stouts, kejuroi.
What is stupid? Look at your mouth. I'll go to beer. Stout, cold stout. Kejuroi. Very stupid. Maybe I'm a beer pardon. I'll go to beer. Stout, kejuroi. Look at your mouth. You are not even afraid that you are in the house of a tattooed man. I'll go to start. Romance. That is why you don't have respect. If I'm not I just entered here, you called me Agam. Very stupid. Anyway, I will give you because we have business.
Okay, Agaba.
No, yeah, Agaba. Stop calling me that name. You're not turn them on.
Okay, sir. Agaba. Again.
Danga, this start I'm giving you here is not because of it's the gold start. I'm giving you this start because of the business that we have.
Okay, sir.
You want to give me 500,000 and I'm start on that?
Hey, Mazio. Hey. Agaba, open my drink for me now. You have to go and look for opener. I cannot drink it like that, please.
Let me use it and open it for you.
No, you will use opener. I'm a lady now, and I'm your visitor. You will treat me well now. Again. Go and drink.
Okay,
I'm missing you. I'm missing you. That thing we did that day. I'm missing it. I'm waiting for you.
Man.
Thank you so much. What is it? Sorry, your cover fell off.
Yeah? What did you put inside this drink?
I did not put anything inside it.
You did not put anything inside this drink?
I did not.
If I'm not putting anything in
Agaba, I did not put anything in your drink. Why will I put something in your drink now?
So if they... Okay. Drink from here.
No, Agaba. Mazi Agaba, you know I'm not supposed to drink from your bottle. You're a titled man.
They will title Dobe. Take that title and keep it somewhere. Drink from here. I'm giving you the liberty now. Drink from here.
No problem. Agaba, I cannot drink from your bottle. You know, in my family we have respect. So you cannot drink from an elderly person's...
Nanya, family respect. Drink from here.
Agaba, please.
Agaba, wait. If you not drink from here now, drink.
Agaba, Chiru. I'll confess. I'm sorry, Agaba.
Confess.
I'm sorry. It's not intentional. I just put something. I wanted to kill you, not because I want you to die. It's not my intention. It's just that I don't have the money that you've been requesting for, so I just wanted to kill you so you will stop asking me for the money.
Hey!
I'm sorry, please.
Is this how wicked women are? I had the opportunity to use your video. Say, give it to your husband so that your husband will kill you. I did not do it. Now, just to give me ordinary 500,000, common 500,000, you poison my drink. You are very wicked.
I'm sorry. The poison is not because I want to take your life. It's not intentional, like I said.
If you never now, intentional. I will use intentional and kill you. If you never for that video, where is the money? Give me the money.
Agaba, the truth is that I don't have the money. You have to give me small time, so I will run around and look for the money. Please.
I'm about the stupid. Do you know that when I came here, I did not even look to see the bag of the money. I was even giving you a drink, giving you all these privileges because I thought that maybe you were about to give me the 500,000. You did not even come with the money.
Yes,
you only came with the intention of poisoning me so that I will die and die for once. Nanya, intentionally, I will kill you. Before you know it, I will kill you intentionally. But if I kill you now, I'm going to be the one that will lose.
Yes, sir.
Because I have a business venture planned, which will help me to finish this house. I am giving you 2 weeks. If for 2 weeks, I am giving you 2 weeks to go and bring that 500, not 500 again, 600,000. 100,000 will be to pay for this nonsense you tried here. You want to kill Agaba Mweze. Nobody can destroy Agaba Mweze. Go and look for the money. If you don't bring the money, I will take that video to WhatsApp, take it to our village market, okay? Put video, big TV. Show it with a caption. Nzube Chukwu's wife taking dog in the car. It's one afia.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Go and bring the money.
Okay, sir.
Go.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
So the book.
It's not intentional.
So this guy with the intention to kill me. Hey, I'm not this girl. This girl is the person that sent that assassin. And whatever matter, nobody should tell me anything. Yes, nobody should tell me anything. She is the person that sent that boy. She failed. Then now she came again to poison me. When I put it off, I am well prepared. Nobody can destroy me. If with this girl, I will collect money from this girl. That is not the killing her now. If I should just kill her now, that I will be the one that will lose. Because I have business running. I will build her until she will die. She's fit. Even when she will die, I will go to her corpse. I will use her and build upstairs here.
What do I do now? It is very clear that I don't even have any means of raising this money Agaba is asking of me. 2 weeks is almost coming to an end and I don't even have half of the money yet. What am I going to do? How do I raise this money? I am in big trouble. Oh. If I don't raise this money, Kema will go.
Baby, what is it? You've been moody all day. Agini.
I am just wondering why you are not bothered. Every year we are struggling to feed 3 times a day in this house. Your brother is doing very well, you are not doing well, and you people are doing same business. You are not bothered.
So I should kill myself?
I'm not saying you should kill yourself, but all I'm saying is that, have you sat down and thought about it? Is it normal that your brother is doing very well every time on a change bike and you are not doing so well? We are even struggling to feed in this house and you are seeing it normal.
That my brother is doing well in business does not guarantee that I will do well.
Okay, why is it that the table did not turn like this? Why are you not the one doing well so that your brother will be managing, will be helping them?
So I should question God. Stop now.
No, I did not say you should question God. I did not say you should question God, but I want to tell you something. Have you thought of it that our problem may not be far-fetched? Your loved ones, your brother, those people you think they like you, they care about you, that you are celebrating with anytime they are getting new things, you are happy, you are dancing, you are jumping on top bike. Have you ever thought that they might just be your problem?
How?
He might have exchanged your destiny with his own. I went to Nso Abani, the native doctor, and he told me that your brother's deity is an evil one. That he has exchanged your destiny for himself. That is why he's doing well and you are not doing well. Your younger brother, check him now. Who is supposed to be doing well between the both of you?
I need to see that native doctor.
Yes, you need to see him.
So I can hear from the horse's mouth.
Yes, you need to see him. Because, okay, baby, can you remember that day that he was going to thank his deity after buying the new motorcycle?
Yes.
And he stopped you from going with him?
Yes, I remember.
Yes, I was going to perform Oriko. What is the meaning of Oriko?
When you are planning evil against someone and eat and dine with them, it backfires.
That is why your brother stopped you. Because he knows that it's going to backfire him. Because he is doing evil. Are you seeing these things now? You see? See, I'm sorry to get myself. This thing I'm telling you is just simple brain. You will just use and, arrange these things. You will see it. He was busy pronouncing your brother's name. Okechi, Okechi, Okechi. It is your brother that is doing you.
My love, there is something I want us to talk about. Something very important.
What is it?
It is about my brother, ZUBBY, and his wife.
What happened to them?
Their situation is giving me concern. I am worried.
Same here. And that is why I always advise you to give them money from time to time.
Giving them money from time to time will not solve the problem. How long will I continue to do that?
You're right. What do you suggest we do?
I was thinking if I should dash him the motorcycle and cancel the hire purchase agreement. I believe with that, it will help him to, to help his family. If you look at what is happening, all these things boils down to money. He needs money.
You're right, my love. Your suggestion is highly accepted by me. I think you should do it. At least it will help them to bring peace among them.
Thank you so much.
It's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
You flatter me.
I am not flattering you. You are the best.
Thank you.
Ubube! Ana m anụ na ntị echiri m. Abago.
It's good. You have done well.
Hope this is not where that thunderstorm has been coming from.
No, no, you love accusing me wrong. I heard that thunderstorm from this side. It came from heaven.
Do you think I'm a child?
From
I'm
heaven.
not a child. I'm sure it's coming from here.
I have no reason to lie. Am I in charge of thunders? I heard it the same way you heard it. It came from heaven.
But it looks like it came from here.
Yes.
The problem is that you people enjoy accusing me wrongly. We heard thunder from heaven. All of a sudden, you people are marching towards here. He came from here. He came from. Am I the manufacturer of thunders?
Mama, my husband have told you where the sound came from. Biko, I don't understand.
Jogba, it seems like you left the house very early this morning. Me and my wife wanted to speak to you.
I'm okay. Thank God you came. This is your bike key. Go and bring the money. I am no longer interested. Take your bike and avoid me.
Jogba, actually we wanted to tell you to take the bike. We want to cancel the hire purchase agreement between us. We decided to cancel our hire purchase agreement we had. As for the money, we don't need it anymore. You can take everything.
Are you done?
Yes.
Beautiful. But I'm not interested. Take your money. Just avoid me, including your tolotolo.
Baby, we can now go inside.
What is the problem? Are you mad? Why are you people bent on provoking me? I hate repeating myself. Thunder came from heaven. Why are all of you looking at me and pointing towards this my direction? Avoid me now. Rest. I've given you your bike. I've given you your money. Everybody. No, Ibe. Butter.
Okay, are you not hearing? It's your chirigu. You can get out when you are done, eh?
See this girl. See.
Nani, calm down. Whatever she tries to do, she will never succeed.
Ise.
She will never ever succeed.
Ise.
Ajonia. Please. But Nani. Nekwanya. See you in Africa.
Okay. No problem. Let's go.
Ajonia, see you in Africa. Are you not hearing the sound?
I'm hearing it.
Then where is the sound coming from now?
I don't know, but I think I can take care of it. Just give me a minute.
What kind of sound is this?
Let's go and check what is happening there.
What are you doing with Cutlass?
Don't worry. You don't need to ask me a series of questions. Can we go and know where that sound is coming from?
Hey, Papa Zubby, wait. Don't. I'm not comfortable.
You don't need to be comfortable. Can we go and know where that thing is coming from? Can we? If you don't, I'm going,
Oh, wait. Just be careful. Let's go.
Okay.
Eh?
So Nzube brought this dangerous deity into this compound.
Hey, Nani. So you mean it's this deity that is making this dangerous sound?
Yes.
Hey. Oh, Kokoko no. Nekwa na anya no ka boko ya. Hey. So Nani, what are we going to do now? What are we going to do about this? This is serious.
There's nothing we can do, but I think I can do something. Yes. I know what to do.
Hey.
Yes.
You know what to do?
Yes.
No, wait.
Mmandu biniro la n'ụtụtụ ka obi mi ala na-asọ nsọ. Aro obodo dị egwu. Onye na-aga n'ụzọ biko jidesi gị aka o. Aro.
Obi, what happened to you? What happened to you?
What is the problem?
Mama, I don't know.
You needed to see what I went through today.
What happened to you?
What happened?
I had a very terrible accident.
Hey, Chimo, Obi, forbid. Obi,
Mama,
hope nothing happened to you.
No. I am fine. It's just a little pain I am feeling on this side of my body. Mama.
Nothing happened to my son.
You needed to see this accident.
Eh?
It was so terrible. I am happy I did not kill anybody on the road.
Hey! Thank God nothing happened to him.
No scratch at all.
No scratch. God will continue to protect you. Nothing will happen to you.
Amen.
Hey.
Obi, what about your motorcycle?
Where's your boy? Where's the motorcycle?
My love. My motorcycle got damaged.
Hey! What is wrong with you? Can you put the
My motorcycle got damaged. I am telling you that I am happy I came out alive.
Hey! Obi, thank God you are alive, The motorcycle can go. As long as you are alive, you will buy a new one, a bigger one.
Yes, I will.
You will buy the one better than this.
Eh? Don't worry, my son. God will put all my enemies to shame. God will put all my enemies to shame. Nothing will ever happen to my son. All my enemies. Let's go inside. Don't mind. All of them, they will all be put to shame. I can listen to you.
Obim, you're welcome. Obim, what's wrong with your bike again?
Okay, what's the problem with your bike?
All of a sudden, the bike stopped.
Stopped?
Yes.
Just like that?
It stopped functioning. I took it to the mechanic. He fixed it. After some time, it stopped working again.
Hey.
I don't know what the problem is.
What kind of problem is this now? From one problem to another. Can you know the problem be
Eh? No, this thing, I don't like it though. From one problem to another, every day.
My son, does it mean it has gone beyond repair?
No. The last mechanic I took it to said I need to change the carburetor. I need to get a new one. But Papa, I don't have the money for it. Imagine me, Okechi. I don't have the money for it.
How much are we talking about?
15,000 naira. Just 15,000 naira I don't have to buy a new carburetor. What is going on?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You know, I know you as a hard-working son. I can't see you crying without doing anything. Just take this token from his 10,000 naira. Find where you get the balance and get it fixed.
Hey, Nani.
Don't worry. That is how I could do for now.
Papa?
Don't worry. Don't worry.
10,000.
Don't worry. Just get it fixed, okay?
Hey.
Thank you, Papa.
It's okay.
No.
It's 10,000.
This is 3,000 naira. Add it to the one your father gave to you. So get your motorcycle fixed. It's your source of livelihood. You don't have to go empty like that.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my son. Anything for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
May God bless you. Papa, may God bless you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Obim,
Think
I also have some money to give to you, so let's just go and face the bike.
You see? Thank you. Oh,
Thank
God
you so
bless
much.
you.
You're welcome.
Darling. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Mama. Thank you,
Amen.
Papa.
God bless you.
We have to go to the mechanic now and fix it.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Mama.
Okay.
Papa, if I come back, I'll continue with
No
the
problem.
Let's go.
Please be careful, oh.
Sure.
Watch your back. Let them fix it well for you.
What's happening?
My wife.
The machine is bad.
Yes.
Put any and you see, help him now. Put it on the head.
Let's go.
Them go feel it. Them go feel it.
Look at how she's looking.
See, my son sees very well. He knows that his wife is wife material and he has been a good teller. You know, he needs a good teller to marry a wife material so that you will not abuse the opportunity God has given to you. Leave this so quiet.
If rock all
no man, let's go inside.
something, Jesus.
Baby, what is happening here? I bought a new bike.
You are not blind now, Papa. New bike, Alan, to go.
Where did you raise such amount to buy this new brand motorcycle? So I'm not old enough to own this. I never said such. Papa, you can't be questioning a full-grown man how you got money for this.
Oh, you can't say that again.
It's my hard-earned money.
Or you bought it on a higher purchase.
I get it. What?
Brand new.
It's not a purchase. I paid full with cash.
Yes. I go there.
Hey.
Wait, oh.
Hi.
I like it.
This is your new bike. Congratulations.
Zobechku,
What happened now?
keep your evil hands.
Why are you turning your brother down as if he's not your brother? He came to celebrate with you. They say celebrate with them that rejoice. Eh? And see the way you turn him down as if he's no longer your younger brother.
Papa, I see beyond you can see. His hands are evil.
Yes. Evil, how?
His hands are evil. Meanwhile, it's all good, please. Thanks for celebrating with me.
Hey.
Come, let me take you somewhere.
You'll be taking me to the market with this bike, oh. Chala chala. Let's go. Baby, are you seeing this bike? Hey. Oh, wow.
Must be. What are you talking about?
In your mouth. Snake in your mouth.
Go for it.
Who has done this for my wife? It shall never be well with you. Hey!
See snake on your head. On your head. In your mouth. In your bike. Just for the stop now. Stop this snake. Stop this now. Snake everywhere. Mama, there's no. What is this? Mama, there's no. Mama. What is this now?
Hold on.
Mama, stop this now. Stop this.
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. What's happening to me? My sight. I can't see anything. What's going on here? What is going on?
I don't know what happened. I'm trying to fucking what has happened.
What is happening here? What's happening to me? What's happening to me?
Help him. Where? Snake.
Chibo! Hey.
Have mercy, Jesus.
I called this family meeting because of my wife, your mother-in-law. Okay, Zubby's supposed to be here and he's not.
He went on an important business meeting. I am here.
Right on, Papa.
Okay. Like I said before, she has been sick for some time now, and 3 healers have attempted to revive her, but to no avail. I must call me finger, man. Hey.
Baba, I think it's time for we to call on Chiko Okike to intervene on this.
Okay, Oga, shut up. If you don't know what to say, you keep quiet. You must not talk in every meeting. They are talking about something money, problem money can solve. You are talking about Chokike Abiam. I don't know, poor people and their poor mentality. Papa, please, you were saying something because see me where else is, so I need to cook for my husband.
Ifeoma could be right too. But we have spent much. And a man who's a same talk.
Papa! Look at my family. Brother. I miss you so much.
How are you?
Papa?
How are you?
Fine, Papa.
How's the studies?
School is fine, oh. Auntie Foma, thank you.
You did not buy bread?
Auntie Foma, you know I'm still schooling. I don't have money.
Poverty.
Where's Brother Nzube?
He went out.
Okay. Hi, look at my beautiful wives. Auntie Goma and Auntie Foma. My brothers are really taking good care of you.
Hi. Chinelo, you're welcome.
Thank you.
I miss you so much.
Where is Mama? Why is everybody calm and cold? What happened? Where is Mama?
Chinelo, please just calm down. We'll talk to you about it, okay?
What is going on here?
Agua. Chinelo, we do not know. All of a sudden, Mama started behaving somehow. And that is why she's there.
Agua now. Agua. Snake.
I don't Goma, what do you mean? She started behaving strange. How? Is she running mad?
Something like that, Nina.
Jesus. Mama! Mama! Jesus. And none of you told me this. Snake! Mama! Mama! What happened to you? What happened to you, Mama? Oh my God. I don't know if you told me about this. Don't you? Mama! Who did this to my mother?
Danga. One more minute, okay? Hold your knife on and walk. Come down the joke. You can do that. Not me. If I want to make one now, you. Where the week of my job, no matter what I want.
Good afternoon.
The dinner should go into one Jawa. I was a woman. What did you?
Good afternoon.
Enough of dollar.
Sorry.
I'm not talking to my God. Some good afternoon. What is good about this afternoon? Ozuko. Other one. Nam Naive. I heard that your husband is now making a lot of money. This is the perfect time to take this video to him and destroy you completely, since you don't want to do what I ask you to do.
Gabra, please. I've been pleading with you. I'm actually running around for this money. Honestly, I swear to Almighty God, I am running around for this money. Please, I beg you. Just give me a little more time. After all, I used to give it to you anytime you request. Anyhow you want it. Ozinkego Kowuzi. Biko.
Ukwanya. I been if you go to me. And this word now is That is why I'm still keeping quiet. If not, everywhere for dumb boss. Now, Gen.
Thank you, sir.
Go inside and wait for me.
Okay,
Bia. Sekwanya, if you are coming here to see me, stop wearing this thing you are wearing.
Okay, sir.
Go and always look for this, all this half, all this choppy skirt, something like this,
yes,
so that I will be seeing what I'm enjoying. Okay, not to wear like a Meliamaka and come here.
Okay, sir.
Go inside. Ndembo. It's like I will go and finish with this. Then we'll come back and continue. You people, you remember what I was discussing with you. I told you that I want to finish this house, at least to have upstairs here. So maybe you can be thinking about that one, how to do it. While I go, I finish, then I'll come back. Then we'll continue from where we stop. So that I will not keep this one waiting. I hope you understand. Ha! Ha! Udeku. Gaga no. Anokpa nkene edu anu. Chira na mabia. Kanje me ifa na maputakwa. You understand? Udeku. Mbagede. Ana mabia. Think about what I told you. Nya ife basalo this house and other projects. How to bring it to reality. I will come back. We'll continue.
You are the man. Hey, Ojogo. Hey. This one is Otto. Hey, you are doing well. Now you are behaving like my baby. Hey, congratulations to us.
My new bike.
Hey, baby. This is just
congratulations.
Hey, baby.
You
are you feeling it?
Hi, it's very fine.
Hey,
I'm proud of you, brother.
Hi, baby. You are doing so well. I am a soldier. I am a soldier.
Why is she celebrating more than the other?
I love you, my baby.
What's this?
See my baby. Why?
Tell her that it's my bike.
Why you? Wait.
I
am a soldier.
Hey!
My baby. My baby. My baby.
This is Zubby now. Stop this.
I love you, my baby.
Another snake.
What's the meaning?
Another snake.
I am a soldier. I am a soldier.
Mmandu biniro lano toto kobi miala na so.
My baby. I love you so much, my baby.
Onye naganuzo biko jidisi gakao. Aro obodo di egwu. Ndi mere niru wampiti nazo juru ebe niile. Aro obodo di egwu. Ndị nwe dị n'obi mochi dị n'eze juru ebe niile. Aro obodo dị egwu. Mana nke onye metalụ emesịa ọ nara ụgwọ ọlụ ya. Aro obodo dị egwu. Aro obodo dị egwu.
Papa, why are you moping at my deity like that?
Why did you bring this dangerous and evil deity into this compound?
No, it's not evil. Respect it. Please. It is my deity, it is my deity. Respect it, it is not evil. Why will you target evil? Because I am the one that brought it. Oh, Okechi's own is peaceful. Makanoke and you're white. That pain has been there for God knows how long. You never complained. You were comfortable with it. Because Okechi is your favorite son. You never liked me, I know. Now I brought mine. Fresh and new. You are telling me it's evil without even knowing it. How did you conclude?
It's like you are blind. Can't you see what has been happening in this compound? There are calamities happening here and you can't see. Eh? You can't see. You better go and remove this thing.
This thing is not moving an inch. I'm telling you. It's not moving an inch.
Okay.
How do you know that he is responsible for the calamities? How? Respect my deity, Papa. Yes. Yes.
Is it what you said?
Papa, avoid my deity.
Okay. You better go and remove this thing from here.
I will not remove this thing from here. And there's nothing anybody can do about it.
Are you pointing your finger at me?
I will point 4.
Papa,
I will point 4.
Papa,
I will point 4. Avoid my deity.
This thing now.
Let me alone, yeah? You avoid me, Makola. Avoid, I don't like you. Avoid me. Avoid me. Day your lane. Make I day my lane. Now both of you leave this vicinity. Chabapo.
It's okay, let's go.
Evacuate yourselves from this vicinity. I said evacuate from this vicinity. Evacuate. You can move away. You go get to move. Like I know you're white. How do you know the difference? Can you tell? You don't, you go. It's evil.
Now you are behaving.
Mine is evil. Because it's my own. His is pure. How are we sure? Is it because he's on white?
Oracle is evil!
You don't use the
It is evil!
Don't do this! What is this? Abim, please don't do this!
Nothing is going to stop me from destroying this oracle!
Don't
it is
destroy
evil!
it! Do not do it!
Why?
Please! This isn't the best oracle!
And so what? This oracle is evil! If we don't destroy this oracle, it will continue to destroy our family! You and I are not safe! We will be the next victim! I am going to destroy this!
Abim! Abim, what is wrong? Abim! Abim, Ogene! Abim! Ogene! What is wrong with you? Are you okay? Why are you laughing? What is funny?
Shosa!
What is it?
It was a nightmare.
A nightmare?
Hey, it's a dream. Hey.
What happened?
I had a very terrible dream.
What happened in the dream? Tell me.
Hey, Chimo.
Tell me.
I had a cutlass in my hand. I was going to destroy the evil oracle. Immediately I raised up my hands to strike. The oracle struck me with madness.
Madness?
Yes.
This is a very bad dream. A bad omen.
This is bad. Of course it is bad. It is bad. Something is wrong somewhere.
What are we going to do now?
Hey. I need to do something fast. I need to go extra mile to know what this is all about. I can't let this pass by.
Don't worry. You need to do something very fast. I mean, this is a very terrible dream. And we can't just let it slide like that.
No, we can't. That oracle is evil.
I understand.
That oracle is evil. We need to do something fast. I need to do something.
It's okay. Just calm down. It's getting late. Let me bring your food so you can eat. Okay?
My love, I cannot eat at this point. I need to think. I need to figure out something.
Calm down. Calm down, my love. You will fix it. Okay? Nothing will happen. I reject it.
Hey. Hey. This is...
Maya, Nana, if I'm touching you, you'll be saying, oh daddy, I am the one doing you a favor here. In short, I'm just thinking, it is time we begin to bring a calendar. We mark roll call. Anytime you come, I will take. Good. If you come, maybe in a week, your husband will take 2, I will take 4. If you come, I mark. If you come, I mark. Nana, next time you are coming, come with the pepper soup, all this pepper soup. Put it otas and uzuza. You bring it so that I will eat. If you're coming to meet an old man like me, you come with the things that will be refreshing me, giving me energy to continue.
No, please.
Hope say nobody to push you.
I want to knock it.
What is this?
Wait, I want to show you something. Check. You sabi this person?
Jesus. My wife did this now.
I have been suspecting her and this man. I had to trail her. I needed an evidence. That's why I had to do it. Yes.
Oh, wow. So this is what my wife has been. So you've been sleeping around with men. You've been cheating on me.
Me? Sleep? God forbid. I cannot cheat on you, baby. God forbid.
How do we explain this? Who is in this video?
Baby. Baby. Hi.
Papa?
Baby.
My wife has been cheating on me.
No,
How did you know?
I can explain, babe. I can explain. Babe, I have something to tell you. I can explain.
Kezaya can know.
Babe,
Kezaya can know.
let's talk about this inside.
You know what?
Baby.
This marriage is over.
Hi, babe, no.
Just go in there, pack your things and leave.
Baby,
If I hear babe again,
Baby,
I will smash your head against this pillar. Just go and pack your things and leave.
baby, please.
Come out here! Come out here and explain to us what you have been doing to this family. Now this is him. The wicked son of my father.
Where is this coming from?
It is coming from me, your younger brother.
What happened?
You are wicked. Explain to us what you did to Mama, what you did to our sister Chinelo, and what you did to me.
How dare you talk to me in such manner? Are you insane?
I am insane. Because you have made me go insane. Papa, I consulted a very powerful Dibia. And he told me that ZUBBY has been the reason for our misfortune.
You and that Dibia are mad.
You are the one.
Yeah, you and that Dibia.
You are the one that is mad.
You people are mad.
Papa, he told me that this deity, this evil deity he brought into this house is the reason for our misfortune. And you know it.
I think you're mentally unstable. I don't have time for this nonsense.
You are not going anywhere.
Enough.
You are not going anywhere. You have to explain to us what is going on in this family.
What is wrong with both of you? Eh?
You are not going anywhere.
Hey, enough.
You are not going anywhere.
Enough. I said enough.
Explain to this family what has been going on.
Oh no.
I said enough. ZUBBY, your brother Okechi here reported a case against you to me. He said you brought an evil deity into your father's compound, and that deity is the cause of all the misfortune in this house. Is that true?
Oh no, I like Ezoku.
Yes, you know that.
The deity I brought is for my own personal growth. It's for my own personal use. Look at the deity there. Oh no, but this is a very big lie. It's a big lie now.
Nzube, are you sure the deity you brought into your father's compound is for your personal use? And can you justify that? 100%. Then, I will go and call the Ezedibe to perform an oath-taking ritual.
Oath?
Yes.
Bam!
To justify yourself.
No problem, I will take the oath. Huh? And I'll be careful.
Then in that case, then, Nzube, I have not finished. If you are found guilty, you will be banished from this kingdom.
No, he is guilty. What are you saying if he is found guilty? Be careful. In our baby who's safe. Be careful.
You too, be careful.
Be careful.
Hey, be careful because you are wicked.
Okay, Chi.
Be careful.
Look at your mother. Look at your sister, Chinelo.
Be careful. In our baby who's safe. Papa. Be careful. Papa. In our baby who's safe. Be careful. In our baby who's safe. Papa. Be careful. I'll come to you. I'll take you. Everybody now, Nigerian now.
Hallelujah! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
If I catch you.
What's going on? I think I said it before. I never liked her. I never trusted her. Anytime your leg will win. Yes! He has win out of this family. I told you.
Why would she even do such a despicable thing, Fanny? Eh? Why would she do it? How can she be cheating on her husband? I thought she loved him, oh.
Love one thing. I warned him from getting married to her, but he refused to heed to my advice. See what is happening. See what is happening.
Hey.
You see it? Onye baranka hu ngwirari gagarini isi kote obaya. Onye oketere. Onye oketere. One he kwekwe. Agbaka tanti ono. Ebu bisi osore bana lili. No gbe bana eba akwa. Help him. I'm going inside. I warned him. He refused. Okay now.
Hey!
Why is that the that has been sleeping with my wife? You have the guts to sleep with my wife. You are hereby banished from this kingdom. Anywhere I set my eyes on you, you see Gada.
What on?
Anywhere I set my eyes on you, I will do something. Wise one, since I brought that deity home, misfortune and calamity has become the order of the day in my house. First, my mother ran mad. Second, my only sister ran mad. The other time we caught my wife sleeping with a useless man. I don't want to talk about my brother's misfortune because I believe he deserves what he's getting. But truth be told, since I brought that deity home, calamity has become the order of the day in my house.
My son, are you trying to tell me that your wife did not tell you in details how the deities work before bringing it to take it home?
No, she never told me that the deity will cause such disaster. She only told me that you told her that my brother was the cause of my misfortune. That the only way we can revive that is coming to you and seek for a solution.
She must be an evil woman. She came here and told me that a seer confirmed to both of you that their only brother stole your star. And she needs quick solution. I explained to her that Isiopo, which is the deity I gave you, can bring instant solution at a cost that is unknown. I told her that Isiopo will take whatever he wants as a reward for each success he delivered. And your wife told me that both of you are ready to do whatever that will make you shine. I told her to explain everything to you before bringing you. I wonder why she hid all this for you. She's an evil woman.
Ifeoma. Can't be for joy, was Ifeoma. What? My wife never mentioned all this to me. Do you know, and the elders are insisting that I must take an oath.
Don't be afraid about that. I will give you something that you will take so that it will not affect you when you take the oath.
Okay, good.
No matter how powerful the deity is.
Okay, good. That's one. The last but not the least. After the oath taken tomorrow, I would like to return that date. Please, I'm tired.
That is almost impossible. I told your wife to tell you. What? Isiopo lives in you. I told you, doing away with Isiopo will cost you a lot of head, and you are not ready to do that now. Maka na go when you find a me we bolo ogaranya, o se ke aha lo ke aha.
If you know you are innocent of this accusation, take this. Turn it around your head 3 times and swear. After which, you wash your hands inside this calabash.
I'm innocent.
Let's see if you're innocent. Wash your hands in this calabash. Let's see if your hands are really clean.
I said it! Papa, you see? I said it!
Papa, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. My wife lured me into bringing this date without telling me the consequences.
Hey!
My wife lured me and she did not explain to me in details. I'm sorry, please forgive me. My jealousy and greed for Okechi led me to this. Please forgive me, Papa. It's my wife's fault. I shouldn't have listened to her. I shouldn't have listened to my wife. Her advice was wrong. She gave me wrong advice. I'm sorry, Papa. I'm sorry.
Onzobechuko, remember what I told you. Evil is a taboo in our land. Therefore, you are banished from this kingdom. The youth will see you out of this kingdom.
Adding to that, Nzobechukwu, I disown you today as my son. Yes, you allow an evil woman to ruin your destiny. You will never bear my name again. You wrong your mother, my wife, my only daughter, mad, and ruin your brother's business because of greed. If you turn out from here, never turn back to this family again. Yes, I mean every word I've spoken. He will never bear my name again. Everything that belongs to me will be yours, and not his again.
Mama! What's going on? Mama! Mama! What are you doing? remove this chest from my house.
What are we doing here?
Mama, please remove this. Mama. What happened to us? Papa?
Mom, you fine? Yes, I'm fine. What are we doing here? What's going on? Why is he lying down here?
What happened?
What's happening? Can someone talk to me? Explain? Why is Uzbechukwu lying down here? And what's that calabash doing?